Eenyuudha maqaa?
Asuma jira. Asuma jira.
Asuma jiru. Kanatti aansuudhaan artistii jaalatamaa fi beekamaa Hacaaluu Hundeessaa tiishartii isaa mee waa'ee Hacaaluu waan tokko natti himuu dandeessaa? Waa baay'ee isaa dubbachuu hin danda'amu gabaabsi.
Maali? Waa'ee Hacee baay'ee dubbachuus hin danda'u. Haceen goota Oromooti. Ammaan lubbuudhaan jirutti onnee kiyya keessa wanni jiruu fi si'a hundumaa kan uffadhee deeman. Kanaaf Haceen anaaf goota Oromooti.
Kanaaf
mucaan kiyyas kanaaf uffatee deema. Hundumti mucaan kiyyas ishiin dubartii sun hundumtu uffannee deemaa jira.
Waan Hacaaluun uummata Oromootiif godheef qabsoo Oromoo keessatti taasise dubbatameen dhumu barreeffameen dhumusi. yaa ta'uti isa yaadachuu keetiif galatoom.
Thank you.
I already paid for it.
Keep going. Do it. Vuvuzela. Afufi.
Taste my head too.
Oh, sorry.
Ati tanah nur aja kami lah karbat please.
Dah, koi ay. Sino?
Yobi
Kada mo sini na dapat sa. Thank you.
Ka dari nanti pada dimensi urji amas khaba urji khaba urji dari na khaba dari dawat Dasukin tapi jalkale dari ko merasa tunai kangkare diri dawa goli jalkala dan curang dari kata agil kata la koksa sekarang urji
Can you speak Oromic pa?
I can't, nah.
Oh, how you doing, sir? Oh, okay.
Abdullahi.
Abdullahi,
Yes.
how you doing?
Good, how are you?
Which group you support right now?
Yeah, Diri Dawa.
Diredoa.
Yes.
Why? They are playing.
Family.
They are family.
Family, yes.
Wow.
Yes.
Rather than family, they are playing good. Yes,
yes,
too.
absolutely.
All
Yes.
right. So, are you fun with the soccer?
Oh, yeah.
Really?
Oh, yeah.
Are you playing before?
When I was young,
Where?
here in Minnesota.
In Minnesota.
Yes.
Which group? Don't worry about
yeah,
that.
I don't remember.
So you are
It's
fan of the soccer?
Yes, yes,
Perfect.
yes.
I really appreciate it. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Hi guys. Rida.
They're thinking my brother, they're like right here. My brother.
Say anything about this game.
Good tournaments. Happy we won. You know, congrats to our team and congrats to the other team.
All right.
See you guys next year.
All right. Could you say something about this Ospana 2024?
That was one of the best tournaments I played. It's good. It brings people together. You know, it's fun.
Are you top scorer?
Yes, top goal scorer.
How much you score?
9 goals.
Okay, so, goalkeeper of the tournament goes to Bikram of Sulaiman. Alright, top scorer of the tournament goes to Sulaiman of Diriyadawa. Sulaiman. We got it, Sulaiman. We got it, the best. We got it. Sulaiman is my dad. Alright, okay. Listen up, okay? Alright. Hey! MVP. The most valuable player of the tournament goes to Abdullah. Let's go.
No, wait, come here. Come here. No, you have to go outside. No, yeah. No, I see that.
No mic.
Hey, let me get one too.
Go.
Come on.
Go.
Second.
Let's go over here.
Where from?
Boni.
Kiyya bulli badhaanee jedhamaa diisirraa dhufee egaa Osfaanaan bara kana arginu Oromoon isteeta mararraa biyya Awurooppaa Kanaadaarraa biyyoota garaagaraa ibn Awustiraaliyaa dhufanii kun akkuma argitu bakka dhaabatan hanqateetiin kan gammachuu kan aadaa fi ispoortii fi agarsiisan ta'uu kun wajjumaan argaa jirra galatoomaa ulfaadha an bulli badhaanee.